بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math, grade 6. Today we want to continue our work yesterday, statistical questions. We have extra practice. The question, determine whether or not. Each question is statistical question. So the first question, how many bicycles does the average family in my town own? Who can tell me? This is statistical question or not statistical question?
Statistical.
So this is statistical question. Great. Exercise number 2. In what year was the first Super Bowl held? This is statistical or not?
No.
What was the typical number of goals scored per team in the youth hockey league?
Statistical.
How many minutes does the typical 6th grade student in my school spend on homework each weeknight?
Statistical.
How many countries are in Europe?
Not statistical.
So this is not statistical. What is the height of the Eiffel Tower?
Not statistical.
So this is not. How many rides do they have at the Delaware County Fair?
Not statistical.
On average, how many food stands are typically found at the county fairs in my state?
Statistical.
How many people typically exercise at the local gym each day?
Statistical.
Great. Who can read exercise number 10, please?
Nagam, can I read it?
Okay, now start, please.
Suppose you want to determine the number of apps your classmates typically have on their electronic devices. You survey them by using the question, how many apps do you have? The responses are 10, 2, 15, 25, 16, 18, 20, 24, 19, 15, 5, 23, 35, 22, 14, 53, 18, and 14 apps. Organize the data by completing the table and analyze the results.
Thank you. So here's the period from 0 to the 10. Go to the data, then count how many numbers between 0 and 10. We have here 2, and we have 5. So
Mr. Also, the first one is 10.
Yes, sorry. And we have here 10. So we have three numbers. We have three numbers. Now the period between 11 and 20. We can take 15, 16, 18, 20, 19, also 15 here, and 14, and 18, and 14. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write here 9. Now the period between 21 and 30. You have here 25, 24, 23, 22. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 30 or more, 30 or more. We have here 35 and 53. So we have two numbers. We have two numbers. So we can write here the result at the most between 11 and 20. At the most between 11 and 20. Who can read exercise number 11, please? Sheikha, can you read it, please?
Mr. Amnagam, can I read it, please?
Yeah, start, please.
You survey the teams in a baseball tournament by using the question, how many home runs did your team hit? The responses are 0, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 5, 0, 3, 1, 8, 5, 1, and 0 home runs. Organize the data by completing the table and analyze the result.
Thank you, Nahab. Thank you. The period between 0 and 1. Here we have 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right here 7. Then between 2 and 3, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. And here in the first question, we have also here 0. So here the number will be 8. Then between 4 and 5, we have here 4, 5. And here we have 5. So 1, 2, 3. Then 6 or more. We have just 8. So analyze the result. The big result here 8. So the most data between 0 and 1. The most data between 0 and 1. Who can read exercise number 12, please?
Mister, can I read it?
Okay, mother.
Suppose you want to determine the typical number of visitors by your class mathematics during the summer. You survey them by using the question how many museums did you visit during the summer? The, the responses are 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, 1, and 0 museums. Organize the data by completing the table and analyze the result.
Thank you, Moza. Okay, here we have number of museum zeros. How many zeros? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here 2. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how many 3? We have here 1 and we have here 2. So the most result will be 2. The most result will be 2. Okay, number 13. Who can read number 13? Shamsa, can you read it, please?
You survey your classmates by using the question and how many do you participate? The response are 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, and the organize data by completing analyzing the results.
Thank you, Shamsa. Number 1 here, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then number 2, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 3, we have here 1, 2, 3. Number 4, we have here 1, 2, 3. So the result about 1. Who can read exercise number 14, please?
Nagam, can I read it, please?
Okay, Nagam, start.
You survey your classmates by using the question, how many pets do you have? The responses are 3, 0, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 0, 3, 5, 2, 8, 3, 1, 2, and 0 pets. Organize the data by completing the table and analyze the results.
Thank you. Okay, between 0 and 1, you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between 2 and 3, you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Between 4 and 5, you have here 1, 2, so we have 2. So here I forget 3. Between 2 and 3. You have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it's correct. 7. Now, more than 6 or more than 6 or more than, we have just here number 8, 1. So at most, the result between 2 and 3. Okay, who can read exercise number 15? Eliazia, are you here?
Yes, Mr.
Can you read it, please?
Suppose you want to determine typical number of books your classmates have read so far this year. You score them by using the year. The response are 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, and 2 books. Organize the data by completing the tab and only varies.
Thank you. Okay, number 1 here. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 2, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then number 3, you have here 1 and 2. Then number 4, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the most, here we have 10, number 2. Okay, who has any question here? No questions?
No questions.
No, thank
Right. Who can tell me what is the difference between statistical questions and not statistical questions?
I'm Nagam. Can I answer, please?
Yes.
Statistical questions don't have a specific answer. They have multiple answers.
Great. Thank you. So statistical questions, we don't have specific answer. We want to ask many questions to collect data. Then after collecting data, we want to organize this data using the table. Then we can analyze the result and put the result like verses or using graphically drawing. So this is the difference between the statistical question and not statistical question. Not statistical question, just we have a specific answer. So who can tell me what is the steps when we have a statistical question? How many steps we can do to know the analyzed result? Who can tell me?
We organize.
Before we can collect the data, at the first ask many questions to collect the data. Then Shamsa, we have organized the data where in the table. Then at the last, who can tell me? Analyze the data. And we can use the result as a verses or as a graphically. Right. Who can repeat the steps?
Collect data.
Yes.
Organize and analyze.
Great. So this is our video today. I want from all to study very well. Inshallah, next week, maybe in Sunday or Monday, we have a quiz. Just model 9. We have 5 lessons. So study very well, please. and see you inshallah next Sunday. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend. This is our video today. Thank you for your listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.